The International Civil Aviation Organization Assembly brought together its delegates for high-level talks surrounding aviation policy issues. Among those countries was the Bahamas, with a delegation led by Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Tourism, Investments and Aviation, the Honorable I. Chester Cooper.
Let me say how delighted I am to be able to head a delegation in Montreal to attend the International Civil Aviation Organization's meetings. It's important that we maintain our place in the world. We are building a robust aviation industry in the country. This is an important element of everything we do as an archipelago. We own 30 plus airports and there are more airstrips across the country. We have a vibrant tourism industry. Aviation is like the oxygen for tourism, and therefore it's critical that we continue to build regulated, safe airports across the country. ICAO gives us an opportunity to draw on the level of expertise available from its more than 190 countries around the world and more than 2,800 attendees. So we have an opportunity not just to attend the technical training sessions, but to network with many of our colleagues from around the world to find opportunities and to create possibilities for the Bahamian people.
For more information about the International Civil Aviation Organization Assembly, visit Bahamas.com. I'm Joshua Robbins, and this is Tourism Today.